Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Naila Shahinda and we are from Group 2. We'll introduce you the innovation of Aloe Vera Bioadhesive Buccal film, a halal compliant oral drug delivery system that is designed to enhance treatment for conditions such as oral ulcers. The film is developed using aloe vera, a natural ingredient known for its healing and anti-inflammatory properties. It functions as both a bioadhesive, which allows the film to stick securely inside the mouth, and as a permeation enhancer that improves drug absorption through the oral mucosa. Formulation involved halal certified materials, and the film was evaluated through a series of tests. This include assessment of mechanical strength, surface morphology, swelling capacity, drug release rate, and anti-inflammatory activity. Safety was also confirmed through cytotoxicity testing on culture cells. The result also showed a great performance. The film demonstrated a strong tensile properties, consistent surface structure, and released about 97.23% of the drug within 4 hours. It shows no toxic effects and significantly reduced TNF-alpha levels, which indicate an effective anti-inflammatory action in the film.
Now, let's talk about the problem we aim to solve. Taking medicine by swallowing is common, but it can be slow and sometimes ineffective, especially for people who are suffering from oral ulcer. Current treatment like gel or mouth rinse do not stay long in the mouth, which reduce their effect. That is why we developed this bioadhesive film, which a thin strip that stick inside the mouth and help to absorb the medicine directly at the affected area. The first process is raw material selection. We start by selecting fresh aloe vera leaf. The leaves are clean and the inner gel is extracted. This gel contains natural active ingredients that are effective for wound healing and reducing. Second process is gel formulation. Aloe vera gel is then mixed into other additives in appropriate ratio. This mixture is treated under controlled temperature to ensure the stability of the formulation and the remove bubbles and gas that can affect the quality of the film. Third process is film molding process. The formulated gel is poured into a mold to form a thin sheet of film. Once dry, the film is cut to standard size and packed in moisture-proof sachet to ensure the durability and hygiene of the product. For the fourth process is cutting and packaging. The board cut film is put into the final packaging such as this stage, tests such as bioindex time and learning index are also conducted to evaluate the performance of the product when used in the mouth. So, last process is quality evaluation and quality. Finally, the finished film is tested in the terms of physical and functional properties. This includes pH testing tensile, strength, and resistance to ensure the film is durable, safe, and effective when used. This process ensures that each bioadhesive film is of high quality, based on natural ingredients, and works well to help heal wounds in the oral cavity gentle and effectively.
So, the methodology of this innovation, here is how the film was made. We used polyethylene oxide and sodium carboxymethyl cellulose as the base material that help create the film structure. And then the lyophila is aloe vera gel we freeze dried and use as the main ingredient for active ingredients. And then lastly, the glycerol was made. The glycerol was added as a plasticizer, which help keeps the film soft and flexible. So the film was tested in the lab for first tensile strength to check how strong and stretchable the film is, and then the second, which swelling index to measure how much the moisture can absorb it, and then the morphology that can show the surface structure under the microscope, and the fourth is drug release, which showed the 97.23% of the medicine was released in 4 hours.
What makes our study unique is how we use the aloe vera in a new way. So instead of just adding it as a natural ingredient, we made it do two important jobs, which is it helps the film stick inside our mouth and it also helps the medicine to absorb better into the body. So this combination hasn't really been absorbed much before. Plus, we made sure the films is halal compliant, so it is suitable for Muslim users too. And so overall, this project isn't just about making an effective drug delivery system, but also about making it ethical, inclusive, and more accessible for everyone.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nura Alia Mashtah binti Anwar and I'll be presenting the impact of the aloe vera Bioadhesive Buccal. This innovation brings a significant clinical impact, particularly in the treatment of oral ulcers. Studies have shown a 40% improvement in healing rates compared to conventional gels. This is due to its prolonged contact time with the mucosal surface, which allows the medication to work more effectively. In terms of cost, it is also proven to be highly cost effective. It has led to a 30% reduction in the cost of managing oral mucositis, mainly by reducing the need for frequent hospital visits and benefit both patients and also healthcare system. Lastly, this technology opens up promising research opportunities, especially in alternative drug and vaccine delivery system. One exciting potential is its use for COVID-19 booster vaccine administered via the oral mucosa and offering a less invasive and more convenient option. This innovation is not only impactful in clinical treatment but also holds great potential for future medical application. Thank you.